Welcome back guys. In this second part of the video we're going to learn how to bring GSM Linux commands, and then we're going to learn how to access Counter-Strike 2 server files by using FTP client, and then we're going to learn how to set up the server by modifying the max players, modifying the name of the server, and the starting maps, the collection of maps, etc. Okay, let's start with GSM commands. Let's go ahead and connect to our VPS. Then connect to the user. All you have to do is just write this command, and then you have all the commands you're gonna need for GSM Linux. So for example, if you want to restart, you type R or restart, and the server is going to restart. Now let's learn how to access our server files. We're going to need an FTP client. Go ahead and download WinSCP. Once you are done, you can open the application. New tab, new site. Let's go ahead and copy our IP address. The username is the same as our VPS. The password is the same as the VPS. Click save password, name it as you want. Bingo, now we are inside. So now that we have access to the server files, we're going to change some settings like the startup settings, so we can change the number of players, the name of the server, the maps, etc. So we have two CFG files that we can change from. We have this one, Linux GCM. We go to config, cs2 server, and cs2 server.cfg. It's empty. We don't know which commands we need to add over here, so we go to default. We choose the commands that we really need to start our server, but for now we're going to take these three commands. We go back to cs2 server and we paste over here the IP, the port, and the number of slots. You can add the IP address over here. And GLST is the token of your server. You're going to log into your Steam account, and then you go to the link in the description and create your own token. This is necessary for your server to appear in the browser in the internet. Okay, if you don't add GLST, it won't appear over here. So now let's go to the second CFG file. We go to the server files, game, CSGO, CFG. So instead of going to server CFG as always, as we used to do, this time CS2 server replaces this CFG file. So we're going here. This is the host name of our server. Let's name it Myers Visual Server. The password, if you want. Steam account is the same as token, so it's the same. You can set it over here and not in the first CFG. The map, starting map cycle, etc. So if you don't find a starting command that you need over here, you can go ahead and type it by yourself. For example, map group, my maps. So now the server is going to use these map groups for my server. You can add workshop collection of maps over here. You can change the mode casual or deathmatch, etc. Let's save it and go ahead to our VPS and see. So instead of logging to root, we're going to log into the username directly. So let's go ahead and restart our server. Let's go ahead to the server browser and check the name of our server. As you can see, the slot is 20 and the name is MyersTZ. So it's very simple. So now we are done with the second video of how to make multiple Counter-Strike 2 servers using GSM Linux. I know that we are not going straight to the part of how to make it, but before we do it, we need first to learn how to use GSM Linux. Then we can proceed to learn how to make multiple servers. We're going to learn that in the next video, where we're going to learn how to schedule our server to restart every day at 6 AM using our VPS and GSM Linux. We're going to learn how to make our game server check for updates every day at 4 AM, for example. And we're going to make our GSM Linux monitor our CS2 server and check if it's active. If not, GSM Linux is going to start the server again in case the server is crashing. So as always guys, if you like the video, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe. See you in the next one.